pal. Whoever you are, whatever you believe, I know you want what is best for yourself, your family, your friends, your community. Let's figure out the details together by redevoting ourselves to our ideals of empathy, reason, and enlightenment. I vow to be a voice of common sense for Finger. So I think a lot of people, there's a quite a polarizing environment politically these days, I think. And, I think I like to try to see things from all sides. I think every side has something to enrich your perspective with, even if it's just to think, oh, wow, those people really have a, crazy point of view. But it's still useful to put yourself in their shoes for 5 minutes and get into it instead of just shooting it down immediately and looking for holes in what they believe. Try to see, oh, is there any sense in what they believe? And often we find we learn things, they have something. Usually there's some truth, and that's what's motivating them. They're like, no, I can feel it's true. There's usually at least a kernel of truth. Anyway, I think I love people. I'm a people person. And I love harmony. I love getting along. I can argue and stand my ground, and I believe it's very important to have a spine. Um, and, a bit of healthy masculinity. Um, but nonetheless, I really want to bring people together. And so that's something I want to do on the council and in the community, kind of bridge some of these divides. And so on some of these, hot topics especially.